cannot talk against my spiritual director, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and you will not get a reply. It's not possible. Good to tell you, my people, today is the 7th of November. Wherever you will be watching this video from, I say happy weekend to you, a weekend of blessing and favor. My name is Evangelist Obi. My spiritual director is Evangelist Ebuka Obi. That's me. I am a proud Zionite. Now, if you look at these people talking against this genuine man of God, this genuine servant of God of our time, the Elijah of our time, the John the Baptist of our time, this transparent man of God of our time, which I am a privilege. I'm thanking God that directs me to this great man of God, which is no other person than Evangelist Ebuka Obi of Zion Prayer Movement Outreach. If you take all these people talking against Evangelist Ebuka Obi and Zion Prayer Movement Outreach, you will discover that these people are victims of the preaching of God that is coming out of the mouth of Evangelist Ebuka Obi. If you check very well, you will discover that these people are victims, and there is no other way they can express their anger, their bitterness, their jealousy is just to come online bingos to talk against Evangelist Ebuka Obi, to talk against Zion Prayer Movement Outreach. Now, like this Ndigbo that went and contacted a blogger, and that one was looking for what he will use to talk against Zion Prayer Movement Outreach. He jumped inside the trap. Now, what is their offense? What is their anger? Now, let me tell you their anger. Now, this is a place that when you go there, that you need help. Now, you that need help, you are looking for money to pay for your children's school fees. You are looking for money to pay for your house rent. You are looking for money. Things are not going well. At the end of the day, when you go there, same you that is looking for help, they will now tell you to come and buy oil according to your age. To buy oil according to your age. Let's just assume the oil is 3,000 or 4,000 or thereabouts. Now, you are now buying the oil according to your age. Maybe you are 40 years or 35 years, or maybe you are a student. You don't have father, you don't have mother, and you go to a church thinking that you are going to a church of God, and you say you need help. At the end of the day, they will end up telling you to buy oil according to your age. Now, if they discover that maybe you succeed in buying half of that oil, just imagine, you succeed in buying it, they discover it, because these people are working with your intelligence. Maybe they discover that you were fast in buying that oil. The next billing that will come to you, and this is the same you that need help, will be a billing to buy cow. They will tell you to buy cow. And mind you, not that you will go and buy the cow and bring the cow to them. They will ask you to go and price the cow. Now, when going to price the cow, you will come back and tell them the price of the cow. They will ask you to bring the money. They will ask you to now bring the money. And these are what that is. This is their bitterness. Because Evangelist Ebuka Obi is preaching against such oppression. And this is their livelihood business, where they are getting money from in buying SUV to upgrade. Why wouldn't they be angry? They will be angry. Why wouldn't Ndigbo go and mislead a blogger? Because on the 11th of September, the blogger posted, Ndigbo posted on the 5th of September, when the matter was hot going on and the thing was backfiring against them, and the thing was going back to center to them, they sent one of their senior to come and have a word with me. That was on the 11th. The man was calling me. He's their senior somebody in that their church. That was the reason why the Ndigbo deleted her own post and went and write that the church of God is a church of Allah, is a church of God. that let the God fight. Didn't you know that the church of God is a church at large? Before wanting to contact a blogger, if I tell you guys what the blogger told me that this Momichibo said, in fact, I don't even know the reason why they are calling her Momichibo. Because such a woman, what would she be teaching women? Some women are just taking risks being under such a person. Because such a person have nothing to teach women. You have nothing to teach women. The only thing you'll be teaching women is how to snap picture, how to mislead their husband. And the man came down the level. He called on the level. I did not pick his call. He called up. I have the evidence. He called up. I did not pick. He now sent me a message on WhatsApp. The message sent on September 11 at 10, almost 10:30 p.m. He sent me the message that he wants us to see. And I went and I contacted my legal team. They asked me the backings for me to go and see him was organized. The evidence is there. I went to see him. The man was just talking. All the evidence, I have it. The man was just talking. And the conclusion, the man was just begging me. He said, saying that he does not know why a Momijo will behave like that. He was just begging me that what the man asked me, what do I want? I said, well, what I want is this. The blogger should make an open apology. Because the man said the Momijo will mislead the blogger. I told the man that the blogger should make an open apology. Then the Momijo that posted her own should post an apology message. That day was on Friday, and even that day they have this same Momijo, they have a program in their church that same day. The man left. I have the evidence. The man left. That same evening, Momijo deleted her own post. The blogger did not delete his own. And instead of them to come out and tell the public that their bitterness, Momijo went and deleted her post. Now blogger waited and make a lot of video before the blogger now deleted his own. But we have the evidence. If you like delete, we have it. Now why would they be angry? They will be angry because they are all victims of what the good news that is coming out from the mouth of our sincere man of God, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. But whether they like it or not, the truth of the matter is they are going to learn. It's not possible. You cannot work against what I did that put a write-up that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is teaching us witchcraft. That man is supposed to sue that man so that he will come and explain to us how Evangelist Ebuka Obi is teaching us witchcraft. But anyway, they will all learn and they will learn in a hard way. See you in my next video. Love you very much.